Hello everybody, and welcome once again to another one of my videos. I just wanted to make a quick apology video real quick because I uploaded an NBA 2K14 video that was the start of the series. I actually did 4 videos, did probably about an hour and a half worth of footage that I was going to upload so you guys could start watching those. When I went to watch the first one after I uploaded it, I realized there wasn't any sound. So I started looking into the problem. I tried to change all my audio settings and everything, and it just wasn't working. I actually fixed it where I was able to use my mic, but you still can't hear the music or any sounds in the game, the cutscenes and stuff like that, so it wouldn't be very enjoyable. And it's actually a big problem because the reason I wanted to do the 2K14 was because of the story that I wanted you guys to see and you guys to experience it, and it just wouldn't be very good without the sound. And I haven't found a way to solve this issue yet, but I'm going to keep looking for it. But for right now, I'm just not going to be able to do 2K. I'm going to leave that video I got up, and if anybody looks at it, likes it, let me know. Maybe they've got a way to fix the issue, but for right now, I don't have any kind of a solution. They think it's just a bug that's in the 2K14 game that they never fixed, and they're not going to fix it now because the game's too old. They've already shut off all the online connectivity to the game, so it's just going to be how it is. So I can still do NBA 2K 15 or 16 if you guys want to see that. I think the only other game that I saw that has this problem is Battlefield 4, but I didn't have any plans on playing Battlefield 4, so that's not going to be a big deal. There's still a lot of other games I can look into. Lord of the Rings: Shadow of Mordor is a good game, from what I hear. Dragon Age Inquisition. There's still the other NBA games. There's the Madden series. There's still hockey, baseball, the other sports titles that you guys want me to play. FIFA. It's not that big of a deal. It is kind of sad because I really wanted to do this particular game a lot, but I don't know what to do about it. So you guys leave some comments, some likes, let me know what you think I should do. Maybe you guys got a solution to fix the problem, and just let me know. Please, if you give me the answer that fixes the problem, I'll give you a shout out. And thank you personally for the answer. So until then, I'm going to try and find either some way to fix this or a new game to do. And I'm going to leave that other video up, the NBA video, for right now, so that you guys can see it and see what I'm talking about. Sorry once again, guys, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.